Here is my 1970 TransAm Rusto mod. It's been a while since I did a wide angle walk around, so I thought I'd try that. The fenders were left off to make it easier to do the plumbing in the engine bay. Dual auxiliary coolers. Mounted the Brom racing seats. Which will have Crow safety 6-point belts mounted.
Okay if I move these over here? Pick up some space.
The console's been fitted with the shifter.
One last time when we got it all put together so he can wet sand it and buff it one more time just to make sure everything's good.
Mm-hmm.
And any little touch-ups that he may need to do.
And the front middle spoiler, right?
Yeah, I'll probably just send it at the same time.
Yeah.
It's not going to keep us from moving forward.
Right. Okay. Here's the driver's seat. Brom racing seats. Collapsible tilt steering wheel. Got in it yesterday with my helmet, and it's no tighter than my 22 Camaro. Roll cage tucked in nicely. £10 fire suppression system. I think it's 5 or 6 manual nozzles and 2 automatic. I believe so. 10 pound. Nozzles go in the trunk where the fuel cell, passenger side, driver's side, and engine compartment, plus 2 automatic. The wooden platform is just a mock-up. A shelf will be custom built to go into the back to hide fuse boxes, relay boxes, tiny storage, and the stereo amplifier. Console looks real nice. The upper forward part of the console must be custom built to mate with the dash. Should be a minor thing. Wiring's progressing. Intermediate exhaust has been installed. It was fired up last week and yesterday. It was moved forward and backwards, so transmission works in forward and reverse, and brakes work. at least in the moving forward and backward 2 feet.